Hello viewers and welcome back again, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you something we call regular expression. Yeah, at least I'm going to give you the basic understanding of regular expression. Then after that we learn about try and accept. Yeah, which is how to handle errors in your code. Okay, and I think it will be done for today. So yeah, I'm going to talk about regular expression and try and accept to handle what code error. Okay. So now, this is what regular expression. We imported this what model called RE, which is stand for regular expression, and it's just a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. Okay, so we just imported this model. Then what we need to do is we created what a variable. I'm not going to go back. I just coded this to show you and explain more into you about regular expression. Okay. So let me delete this and let me bring it up a bit so you see what is happening here. Now, I created a variable here, then give the string of expression the rain in Spain. Okay? Then, with this variable x, we use what our model dot a function or a method in regular expression called search. I've explained this to you in our previous video of how models work. Okay, so I don't need to go back again. So this is our model, then this is a function in that model. Okay, then what is doing these two characters in the regular expression? It means a start and the end of what. So it's starting from here, then ending from here from what the test variable. So we pass this into this parenthesis. So this is going to start the whole line of code. Then this is end. So when you're writing regular expression, this means a start and this means an end. So it's using this function to search through this what string of characters to see whether there is a there is a spin in what that test variable. Then I wrote an if statement here. So if x print yes, we have a match. So if in x, if this matches some characters in test, then you should print yes, we have a match. Else print no match. So this functions or method run through all the string of character to search whether we have then we have spin. So one thing I want you to do is you go online and look for meta characters of what regular expression, and it's going to show you how each character behaves when you are doing a regular expression. Yeah, when you're solving a regular expression situation. Okay, so all we do is check all your series of character pattern and see. So we have there here and we have Spain here. But let's look at something here. When I created this if statement, it printed yes, we have a match. But imagine I change this pen to small letter. Then run our code. It will print no match because yes, pen is a small letter, but here we are searching for a big one. So when you're doing regular expression, always check your characters well and how they are arranged in your text or pattern of sentence or your characters aligned to your variable. So this is all what I wanted you to know about regular expression, but the most important is to learn the meta characters. So you can go online in Google and just search meta characters of regular expression. I'm going to give you something so that you know how to search within your code. Now let me show you something we call the try and accept in Python. So let me delete all this. Now the try simply means you are trying a block to test the code error. And the except blocks lets you to handle the error. So let me give you an example. Let's say try. So this is the keyword try. First, let me print something on the screen. Print X. Now what is here? Print X. Just check our error here. Say name what? Error. Name X is not defined. Because we've not defined X, it printed out error. How do we handle this kind of error? This is where the try and except comes in. So it gives an error, but with exit code 1. Anytime you see exit code 1, which means you have error in your code. But as a programmer, we don't want this to be displaying on our screen every time. You need to be able to handle this error. So this is how we handle error like this. So for us not to display this, we use try and except. So within this code, all you need to do is just write try, then let's cut this code, then paste it here. Then after that, we accept. Now, after we write accept, now you can copy this name error, then put it here. Then now we print this message on the screen. Copy this, then paste here. I didn't copy it well. Yeah. So as a good programmer, this is what we've done. When we printed, we had this error, but now we use try and accept. So first we'll try this code. For the error to appear in this way, it's now will print name X is not defined. And it's going to give back an exit code of 0. Let's see what. Now you see, it try, there was an error, and this keyword in this error, name printed this. Name S is not defined. Exit code 0. So as a programmer, this is how you can handle every error. You first try the block of code. Then when the error comes, you just accept the error, okay? So that it will not give you all those red lines or red flags in your code. That will make you a good programmer because you're able to handle errors. Hope it's clear. This brings us to the end of a brief explanation about try and accept, of how to handle errors and regular expressions. But remember to learn the meta characters. Take care and see you in the upcoming video. Goodbye.